Arizona today doing demo days here at Indian Motorcycle. Come on down and test ride our new 2020 motorcycle.
What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here. I'm over here at Indian Motorcycle Tucson. Today I got to ride in the demo event and got to ride the brand new Challenger, and it's really awesome. It's a lot different than my Indian FTR. I've had my FTR 1200S since the end of May. Beautiful bike, different purpose, but I want to talk to you about the Challenger. The Challenger was amazing. Now, the reason why I feel like it's amazing is because I focus more on the safety side. So, based on, how it rides is how I'm kind of judging everything. It's obviously a touring bike. It's a lot different than my FTR. It's a lot different than a lot of the stuff that I'm used to, but I want to make sure it was safe for me. So if you guys want to know, I'm 5'6", 30-inch inseam. I was able to flat foot the bike. I was able to turn really well. The ergonomics of it, I could reach every control. So I was really impressed with how Indian set it up to where even somebody like my size could possibly go a long distance on a very comfortable bike. I've ridden the Chieftain, I've ridden all these other bikes too, and that's the great thing about these demo events. You can find the bike that fits you. And what I found out with the Challenger, since it's brand new with the fixed fairing, I was able to stay very stable when it came to the interstate or even in town with all the wind and everything. Body position, body leaning, counter steering, all the primary controls are very easy and almost felt like my FTR in terms of how I could control the bike. So you look at the FTR, sportier bike, touring bike as a Challenger, it honestly felt like it was all the same thing, and I absolutely loved it.
Hello guys, my name is Pat Murphy. I'm the Indian Motorcycle demo driver. I'm here in Tucson, Arizona today. We're doing the new models, 2020 models, and also first stop in the valley is our new Challenger, which is an awesome bike. The motorcycle has been a wait up to 3 hours to get that bike. So if you find out that I'm in your neighborhood, get to the dealership early to test ride that new Challenger. It's an awesome bike, rave reviews. We've had all other lines of motorcycle riders really enjoy that bike. The HD riders, the Gold Wing riders, and even our FTR riders really compare that motorcycle to our Challenger. So it's just an awesome, awesome motorcycle that we got here. So I've really experienced, I've been doing the Indian demo now for 3 years, and this Challenger release is just, I cannot believe the excitement and the buzz around this bike. So please, whenever you get to find out we're in tour or in your neighborhood, come out and check us out. I enjoy this Tucson, Arizona location. They do an awesome job. So if you are here in the southern Arizona area, be sure you stop by and see this dealership. They'll take care of you.